The Buick Model B was Buick's first model. It was built in Jackson, Michigan, and was introduced in 1905 at the New York Auto Show. William C. Durant introduced the car himself at the exhibit and took new car orders at the car show. It had a two-cylinder, horizontally opposed engine, the world's first production OHV, overhead valve, engine, installed lengthwise within the frame, had a planetary transmission with a cone clutch and 2 forward speeds and 1 reverse gear. The engine was rated at 21 bhp. In later years, it was renamed as improvements were made. Model B, 1904. Model C, 1905. Model F and G, 1906-1910. Model 14 and 14B, 1910-1911. References: Kimes Beverly, Henry Clark, Standard Catalog of American Cars 1805-1942, Eola, Krause Publications Incorporated, 1996, ISBN 978-0-87341 428-9.